It's Tiffany Jenkins with the Bloomery out of Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and planting season is upon us, and you're probably getting ready to start planting out your planters and getting them ready to plant. There's one basic design tip that you need to keep in mind when you are choosing plants for your planter, and that is a thriller, a filler, and a spiller. So what do I mean by that? I'm talking about a thriller that adds height to your planter, fillers that will fill in your planter, and a spiller that's going to hang out over the top. So here I have some beautiful lavender dahlias, and I'm going to use them as my thriller. Now you can put them at the back of the pot or in the middle for your thriller. Sometimes I'll put them in corners, but you definitely want to have height somewhere in your pot. So I'm going to put these at the back. Then I've got this lemon coral sedum that I'm going to use as a filler, along with this spicy electric white vine. Look how pretty that is. So all of these are going to go here as fillers. So I've got my thriller, my filler, and then for my spiller I have this black sweet potato vine that's going to hang out over the corner here, and a trailing white verbena. This is Superbena Whiteout. This is a beautiful color combination. We've got our height, our filler, and plants to spill out. If you follow this basic design tip, you will have beautiful planters all season long. Follow along with us at The Bloomery on all of our social media outlets and at www.thebloomeryky.com.